Today we'll learn the most important productivity technique in this world, the Parkinson's law. I call this the greatest of all productivity techniques. And I think Parkinson's law is the secret behind superhuman level of productivity of Elon Musk. Elon is actively applying this law to run multi-billion dollar companies. SpaceX, Tesla, Boring Company, OpenAI, and Neuralink. He does all of this while having 7 kids, 3 divorces, and entertaining people on Twitter as the meme lord, techno king, and the Doge father. Parkinson's law is also the reason Elon tends to slip on his publicly announced timelines, a phenomenon now called as Elon time. But the magic of Elon time is taking something that used to be impossible and far off in the future and making it feel like it's actually late. Now, what is Parkinson's law? Parkinson's was a British author and a historian. Parkinson's law simply states that work expands to fill the time available for its completion. There are really funny corollaries to the Parkinson's law. Work complicates to fill the available time. Work contracts to fit the time we give it. And if you wait until the last minute, it only takes a minute to do. Data expands to fill the space available for storage. Essentially, too much time to do anything leads to procrastination. We all know this to be intuitively true, don't we? If we have an assignment due tomorrow, we are going to get it done tonight. The same assignment, if we have it due 3 months from now, we are going to procrastinate and get it done only the night before it's due. Having too much time to do something is a recipe for procrastination. There is magic in approaching deadline. Our mind plays trick on us. For example, if I give you 24 hours to complete a project, the time pressure forces you to focus on execution and you have no choice but to only focus on the most essential work. But if we have a week to complete the same project, our mind plays trick on us and we procrastinate. And we also make the work bigger than it needs to be. Research shows that the end product of a shorter deadline is equal or higher quality because of greater focus. For example, if you have to write a letter to your grandma and you have 1 week to do it, you may start looking at for the best paper to or the best greeting card. You may also browse through countless options. You may look for the best marker pen to write. You may debate the color of the ink to write. While you are looking for the pen, you may get distracted and go research about cursive writing. But imagine if you only had 1 hour to write the letter to your grandma. You will most likely start with the core. What do you really want to say and express to your grandma? You will not waste time on the bells and whistles that are probably not that important. Peter Thiel has an interesting take on Parkinson's law. Peter Thiel, who was one of the co founders of PayPal along with Elon Musk, is a very successful entrepreneur. He says, think about your 10-year plan and ask yourself, how are you going to achieve it within the next 6 months? Now, this thought experiment will force you to think creatively, and there is a good chance you will probably find a creative way to do 80% of the work you planned in the next 6 months. Now, this is exactly what Elon Musk is doing. He's taking these massive goals everyone thought impossible, like accelerating the transition of the world to sustainable energy, colonizing Mars. He's taking these massive goals and pushing himself and his team to do stuff everyone thought would take 10 years. They are doing it in 6 months. Now, I want to leave you with the questions from the workshop to answer. List past two projects that you got done magically when you were on a tight timeline. Imagine you woke up tomorrow and you are told you only have half the time to get your project done. How will you get it done? It's okay to feel the panic, but I've found that 80% of the time you will find a way to deliver. You may have to really prioritize and drop some low value work. Remember, dropping low value feature to launch faster is always good. Question 3. Write your 1 year plan and ask yourself, how can you do it in the next 2 months? Can you do it in next 1 month? Thanks for watching the video. Complete your assignments and subscribe for more career growth videos. See you on the next one.